Water is constantly on the move in a fascinating cycle. It all begins with evaporation, where the sun warms up water in rivers and oceans, turning it into vapor that rises into the atmosphere. Next comes condensation, as that vapor cools and transforms back into tiny droplets, forming clouds. Finally, when those droplets gather enough weight, they fall back to Earth as precipitation, rain, snow, or hail. This cycle is essential for life, replenishing our water sources and nourishing plants. It's a beautiful, never-ending dance of nature that keeps our planet thriving.